Welcome to our channel. Today's video is about sublimation on placement mats for your dining tables. In this video, we will use the sublimation printer XpertJet 1642WR by Mutoh and the heat press Ely 900. First step, we will print our designs on the Mutoh dye sublimation printer. The Japanese-made printer can sublimate up to 162 centimeters wide. It gives you high-speed quality and comes with a dual head. Second step, we will press the designs on the fabric using the Express heat press Ely 900. This press is an excellent option for those who are looking for a high productive performance and a great cost benefit. It comes in 110 centimeters by 70 centimeters. For better evaluation, bring your textile samples now for hands-on experience and visit our demo room. For more information, please contact us at the following numbers or visit our website at decograff.com. We will always be glad to assist you. See you in our next video.